Hello Spiders. Looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for Sunday, 19th August. On the front page, you have this news. PM Modi announces rupees 500 crore aid. So this is the aid announced by the centre to Kerala. And you can see this is NSCN-K purges Indian elements. So this is regarding the separatist organization NSCN-K. NSCN-IM is in talks with the Indian government, but NSCN-K has not come in truce with the government presently. Plus also it is located, its functions from Myanmar, the adjoining country of India, and it has presently purged Indian elements from its leadership. So the last Indian Naga leader has been impeached by Myanmar-based NSCN-K. Then on page 8, you have this news. Denotification of private land in Kolliru Sanctuary put on hold. So this is, the decision which has been taken, and the Central Empowered Committee here says that this decision is not in conformity with the Supreme Court order. So this is an issue, environment issue, important. Then on page 10, you have this news, breakthrough in Dabholkar murder case. So this is regarding Narendra Dabholkar, who was a rationalist from Maharashtra and who has been murdered. And the investigation now by the CBI has resulted in one of the two suspected shooters arrested. Then on page 11, you have this news, in Rhino country, a division to boost conservation efficiency. So this is regarding the Kaziranga National Park here in Assam. So it has been split into Eastern Assam and Biswanath divisions, because Brahmaputra river comes in between here. So it has been divided from August 14 now. And down here you have this news, multiple PANs still a menace. So multiple PAN cards are there for one particular individual, and this results in a hindrance for the government to track taxation as such. So that is why it had demanded that Aadhaar be linked with PAN. But now it is said that the issue still remains. So lenders say that linking with Aadhaar will wake out fake identities, and we cannot mandatory make PAN linking with Aadhaar because Supreme Court is still hearing the matter on Aadhaar, whether this can be done or not. So this is being highlighted by the government here. And down here you have this news, dropout rate soaring after school mergers in tribal belts. So in tribal regions, schools are being merged, and because of this, it has been seen there is further dropout rates increasing. So that is a cause of concern. Then on Sundays, you have this who, what, why, when, where coverage. So this is regarding movies presently. Who, what is regarding DMK Chief Karunanidhi. Why is regarding oxytocin ban, which we have already discussed in news often. This is regarding Ghazni in Afghanistan being attacked. And this here is where in UP plans to save the Taj Mahal. So in UP, the plans to save the Taj Mahal are being discussed out here. So this is important from environment pollution perspective. So you may go through this. Then on page 14, on Sundays, you have the science and technology coverage. So what is important here is this is regarding skin color, how skin color is defined. But this may not be very important. This is important. Helium is now 150. So what are its applications? Everything is important in that context. And this is JNCASR, a new robust form of gold has been found. And this is Meghalayan farms are also bird habitats. So environment biodiversity has always been in news, and Northeast specifically is important. And this is regarding IISc's claim of ambient superconductivity. So this is the article that this may have support in theory as such too. Means theory also supports this, that superconductivity can be achieved at ambient temperatures, normal temperatures, not very high temperatures. So this actually has come in news second time now. Earlier also in Sunday news, we have discussed about this scientific discovery by IISc scientists on superconductivity. We have detailed out superconductivity as such too. And when this has been repeated, means it's an important article. You should know about this ambient superconductivity being found. Then on Sundays, international news, economy news is covered in the supplement. So this is the Delhi Metro supplement here, the Metro supplement as such. So here the news is African students run into visa roadblocks. So those who are overstaying, the Africans in Bengaluru, they have been detained by the government, and they say that this is not because of visa overstay, but it is just prejudice against them. And this is Kofi Annan, mediator and humanist. So former UN Secretary General, Nobel Peace Prize winner, has passed away. Then on page 5, you have this news. Greece set to exit bailout, still faces daunting challenges. So in Europe also, we have seen many countries were facing huge, debt as such and reeling under debt, and they were bailed out by European Union. So Greece is now exiting bailout, but there are still challenges. And the last important news here on business page 10 is UIDAI announces phased rollout of facial recognition. So telcos will start implementing the system from September 15. So these are the important headlines. Thank you.